guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome, and to my old subscribers, you guys are welcome. Today we are going to be talking about how I added dark roots, how to add dark roots to your attachment wig. So in this video I'm going to be showing you what I used and how I was able to add dark root to this attachment wig. I know very well that a lot of people prefer their colored wig that has dark roots. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to get a dark root wig without staining the wig. Firstly, you need your mascara. You need your small comb, your tail comb. So you see the process. See how the wig was. It had no dark roots. So I didn't like the way it was. I just needed to add the dark root to it, as you can see in this video. I started by applying the mascara on the closure. So if you watch very well, you see how I was able to do it. You start applying. So when applying it, it depends on how deep you want the dark root to be. If you want it longer, if you want just a little dark root on the closure, it depends on what you want. Just do it to the length you want.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So when I was done adding the mascara, when I was done putting the mascara on the closure, I used my hand fan to blow dry it so that the mascara can stick to the closure, so it to be dry. And after then I combed. Later I allowed it to dry. I air dried it. So here is the picture of the wig. This is how it was looking like when I was not adding the mascara. It was looking so beautiful. I liked it. So this is just the simplest method of adding dark roots to your attachment wig or your synthetic wig. So if you've watched to this extent, please subscribe, like and comment.